next we have RTC, that is resistance temperature coefficient. Now there is a derivation in this topic. Can anyone know what is RTC? Resistance temperature coefficient, or coefficient of resistance, temperature coefficient of resistance. Anyone is knowing this concept? Might have studied. What is this concept?
So it tells how resistance is affected when temperature is changed.
Okay, that's fine. The curve we have studied, that what is the effect of temperature on the resistance of conductors. This curve that we will consider, and we will define RTC, resistance temperature coefficient. The same curve we have considered. On the x-axis there is a temperature, y-axis there is resistance. So different values of temperature, T1, T2, T3, different values of resistance, R0, R1, R2. And then the curve is linear, so we can calculate the slope of the curve, which is R2 minus R1 and T2 minus T1. This is the change in the resistance per degree Celsius. Now RTC can be defined as the RTC at any temperature T degree Celsius is defined as the ratio of change in the resistance of the material per degree to the resistance at T degree Celsius. This is the standard definitions for RTC. Look at it once again. RTC at T degree Celsius defined as ratio of, it is a ratio, change in the resistance of material per degree, change in the resistance of material per degree to the resistance at T degree. This is RTC at T degree. Look at, in terms of equation, what we have, RTC at T degree Celsius denoted by alpha. Remember this point, denoted by alpha. So alpha T, because RTC at T degree Celsius. So alpha T is equal to, as per definition, ratio of change in resistance per degree Celsius to the resistance at T degree Celsius. Very simple. Now change in resistance per degree Celsius for metal, for conductors. For conductor, we have the graph and the curve is linear, so we can have the change in resistance per degree, that is a slope. That is nothing but slope. Change in the resistance per degree Celsius, that is nothing but slope. Change in resistance R2 minus R1 per degree Celsius, T2 minus T1. This is the slope. So we can have alpha T is equal to delta R per degree Celsius. Delta R is the change in resistance, RT, resistance at T degree Celsius. And delta R, change in the resistance, nothing but R2 minus R1 divided by T2 minus T1. This is the slope of the curve. So here in this way, we can define a resistance temperature coefficient. Remember this formula, you can write in your notebook. This formula can be asked. So RTC at T degree Celsius. So at the end, we get the formula like that. Alpha T is equal to R2 minus R1 divided by T2 minus T1 divided by this total term RT. This is the formula we can get by using the definition. Change in resistance per degree Celsius, it is nothing but the slope of the characteristics. Very simple. Similar way, we can define RTC at 0 degree Celsius. RTC at 0 degree, that means alpha 0. Alpha 0. Change in resistance per degree Celsius, same thing at numerator, resistance at 0 degree Celsius. So R2 minus R1 by T2 minus T1, R0 divided by R0. By this formula, you can calculate the unit for RTC. So we can have alpha n, that is RTC at n degree Celsius, R2 minus R1 by T2 minus T1 by Rn. So we can measure resistance in ohm, temperature in degree Celsius, so ohm per degree Celsius. Again, on denominator there is a resistance, so measured in ohm. Ohm will get cancelled, and the unit is per degree Celsius. So RTC is measured in per degree Celsius. हे पण लिहून ठेवा. Note this point that RTC is measured in per degree Celsius. In MCQs, it can ask per degree Celsius. So this is the definition for RTC. We can define RTC in such a manner by using the graph. Now we have two simple derivations. First one is expression for the resistance at T degree Celsius, and second is the effect of temperature on temperature coefficient of resistance. So these two derivation we have to quickly see it. Okay, so first one, expression for the resistance at T degree Celsius. Now consider the same curve, temperature versus resistance. On the x-axis there is a temperature 0 to T, y-axis there is a resistance 0 to RT. In between that we can have a slope RT minus R0 divided by T minus 0. T minus 0 means T. So RT minus R0 by T. This is the slope of the curve. Okay, so this we have considered from 0 to RT directly, 0 to T directly. So consider the characteristics of resistance versus temperature. Let us see. We have RT with the value of resistance at T degree Celsius. So RTC at T degree Celsius alpha T, which is the slope of the characteristics divided by resistance at T degree Celsius. So we have slope of the characteristics RT minus R0 by T minus 0. That means RT minus R0 by T. And similar way, we can have alpha 0 is equal to RT minus R0 by T. The slope will be same. आता बघा आपण कुठलाही RTC डिफाइन करताना स्लोप सेम घेतोय because of linear characteristics. You know, in linear characteristics, the slope is same. Throughout the length, we can consider the same slope. So alpha 0 RTC at 0 degree Celsius, RT minus R0 by T divided by R0. This is the RTC at 0 degree Celsius. Now rearrange this formula. Take this R0 towards left hand side. So alpha 0 R0 T, alpha 0 R0 this T, right? Then that is equal to RT minus R0. Rearrange this and you will get RT is equal to R0 in bracket 1 plus alpha 0 T. So this is the desired expression for RT. Resistance at any temperature is equal to resistance at 0 degree Celsius in bracket 1 plus alpha 0 T. We can generalize this expression by replacing T by T2 and 0 by 2 to get T by T2 किंवा 2 म्हणा. इथं T2 असेल इथं RT2 is equal to RT1 in bracket 1 plus alpha 1 delta T, where delta T is change in temperature T2 minus T1. Delta T means change in temperature, which is T2 minus T1. इथं जे घेतो आपण RT2 minus RT1 delta T T2 minus T1. Suppose RT3 minus RT2 असेल तर delta T T3 minus T2. Same way, इथं alpha 1 च्या ऐवजी alpha 2 होईल. Alpha 0 alpha 1. ठीक है? So this is the expression for the resistance at any temperature. So what the heading? Expression for the resistance at T degree Celsius. So this is the expression for resistance at T degree Celsius, and we can generalize RT2 in terms of RT1 and alpha 1. So this expression generally asks for 4 to 5 marks, but as we have MCQs exam, so you can remember some of the points in this expression, and obviously you can note this final formula. RT is equal to R0 1 plus alpha 0 T and this RT2. So we have metals having positive RTC, positive resistance temperature coefficient, and insulators have negative RTC. Why? Because for metals, resistance changes with respect to temperature, so it will be positive RTC. And for insulator, opposite. Temperature increases, resistance decreases, so negative RTC. हे लक्षात घ्या, हे पण येऊ शकतं एक्झाम मध्ये. Metals have positive RTC, insulators have negative RTC. आता मला सांगा alloys साठी काय असेल RTC, पॉझिटिव्ह की निगेटिव्ह? Alloys
Positive.
Yes. Semiconductors
Negative.
negative. Good. Because for semiconductors, temperature increases, resistance decreases. Okay. And the next expression we have, this is also simple one. Effect of temperature on RTC. आता टेम्परेचरचा RTC वर काय इफेक्ट होतो ते पण इथं स्टडी करायचं आपल्याला in terms of equation. So let us we have RT1 and RT2 with the resistances of the conductor at T1 degree Celsius and T2 degree Celsius respectively. So at temperature T1 we have resistance RT1, at temperature T2 we have resistance RT2, and alpha 1 and alpha 2 with the corresponding RTC. So at T1 we have alpha 1, at T2 we have alpha 2. Right? Let the conductor is heated from the initial temperature T1 degree Celsius to final temperature T2 degree Celsius. आपल्याकडे एक कंडक्टर आहे, तो आपण हीट करतोय. त्याचे इनिशियल टेम्परेचर T1 डिग्री सेल्सिअस आहे आणि फायनल टेम्परेचर T2 आहे. T1 पासून T2 पर्यंत आपण ते कंडक्टर हीट करतो. मग तो फॉर्म्युला लिहू आपण परत. RT2, this is the final temperature. RT1, initial temperature in bracket 1 plus alpha T1, T2 minus T2. हे कशावरून घेतलं आपण? या फॉर्म्युला. See, RT, this is the final value. R0 is the initial value. Alpha 0 is the initial RTC and temperature T. Same thing, RT2 is the final value. RT1 initial value. Alpha 1 initial value. Delta T is T2 minus T1. So with the help of this equation, we can write RT2, this is the final resistance, RT1 initial resistance, alpha T1 initial RTC, T2 minus T1. Equation number 1. Now, same conductor is cooled from T2 degree Celsius to T1. तोच कंडक्टर आपण T2 ला जो हीट झाला होता त्याला T2 पासून T1 ला आलं, कूल केलं त्या टेम्परेचर कंडक्टरला. मग आता काय असेल, T2 इनिशियल असेल आणि T1 फायनल असणार आहे. ठीक आहे. सो राइट दिस इक्वेशन अगेन. नाउ फायनल इज RT1 and initial is RT2, right? And alpha T2 again it is initial, and T1 minus T2, initial minus final. Sorry, final minus initial. Temperature final minus initial. So this is equation number 2. Now simply we have to solve these equations. We'll get alpha RTC. Substituting equation 2 in equation 1, equation 2 in equation 1. So we can put the value of this RT1 here in first equation. So put this value here. So RT2 is equal to this full expression and then this expression. So we have this expression as it is and the remaining from equation 1. So we have this. Now here RT2 will get cancelled. So we can have 1 is equal to the whole term. Then again rearrange that term by rearranging. So take this 1 plus alpha T1, T2 minus T1 towards the left side. So we'll get 1 by that term, which is equal to 1 minus alpha T2 in bracket T2 minus T1, right? Okay, here one arrangement that you can note. This is 1 plus alpha T2 in bracket T1 minus T2. So taking minus sign outside of the bracket. So we get 1 minus alpha T2, T2 minus T1. This will be replaced. Minus sign बाहेर काढली की T1 minus T2 च्या ऐवजी ते T2 minus T1 होऊन जाईल. लक्षात घ्या, छोटीशी अरेंजमेंट आहे तिचं प्लस मायनसची. So when you rearrange all these things, so finally we'll get alpha T2 is equal to alpha T1 divided by 1 plus alpha T1 in bracket T2 minus T. So this is the RTC, final RTC in terms of initial RTC. Means काय? T2 is the final temperature, T1 is the initial temperature. Whatever the effect, we can also calculate alpha T1 in terms of alpha T2. So note this expression again. RTC's equation. Then, if the temperature changes from 0 degree Celsius to T degree Celsius, then we can have alpha T is equal to alpha 0 by 1 plus alpha 0 T. T2 ला आपण T ने replace करतोय आणि T1 ला 0 ने replace करतोय. So that's why we get alpha T is equal to alpha 0 1 plus alpha 0 T. And by rearranging this, we get in terms of alpha 0. So alpha 0 in terms of alpha T divided by 1 minus alpha T into T. So this is the final equations for RTC.